What's up mga kapidal? On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I vlog on steep sections of a climb. And we will find out with a new GoPro mount on my road bike. So look at now, I'm holding the camera while riding. You can see that. I'm riding. Let's do some tests. How quick it is, right? Look at that. Ta-da! There you go. Freehand. You're talking, riding, and then if you want to talk again, with your camera, with your face on the camera, twist it, pull it up, boom! You can see me again, right? Hey guys, mga kapidal, what's up?
What's up mga kapidal?
Quick video here. I'm gonna show you a new holder, a GoPro holder for our vlogging camera. Look at this. This is the ULANZI magnetic thing. Look at it. Yeah, it's magnetic. There you go. And it locks. When you turn it, it locks. Nice, right? Look at that. There you go. A big shout out to Jer Victor for giving me the link to buy this thing in Shopee.
Sup yo mga kapidal?
It's nice, you know, for vloggers like us when you're riding on the bike. It's a quick access, like just twist it, and then vlog. And then if you want to like stand out of the saddle, look at it, turn it. It's actually sturdy, you know. Look at that. I really like it for vloggers. It's an ULANZI. It's also an ULANZI. The case of my GoPro 8, and this one, I love this magnetic thing. Look at it again. Just twist it and then pull it up. There's a lock inside. There you go. Sturdy. I'll put the link. I'll put the link down below if you want to buy it. I'll put the name and then research it for yourself. Search it on your Shopee or Lazada or whatever. Again, quick access for vloggers, for cycling vloggers. So that's my setup. There you go. It's a nice one, man. Look. And you can vlog your friends if you have friends with you, riding with you. There you go. It's a nice one. I really love it. Thank you, Mr. Jer Victor. I'd never heard of these things exist. I don't even know. Magnetic GoPro holder. That is the test, right? Go get yourself one. So, here we go. Exploration. I love this road. Secretive. Check it out. Very steep one. Short one. Slippery too. Oh. Check it. Wow. We're going all the way up there. Oh, I'm now in my 34, 32. Woo! Look at this. God. Oh, there's even a tailwind. That's sweet. But it's worthless. My speed is what, 9 k's an hour? Look at that. Oh, we're still going up. Come on. Oh, that was 20%. Woo, windy. Nice stretch of road. Look at that. Oh, nice, right? Okay, I'm not going up. I'm going here. Downhill. Everybody loves downhill. Ooh. Power! Very fast. And it's already also sturdy. It doesn't fall off. It's very tight. You should get one. Guys. If you're a cyclist vlogger, YouTuber, it's nice. Quick access. Boom. Here we go. See? This guy is on my way home right now. Yeah. And you can even show everything. Like your brighten right now is 19 degrees. 19 degrees. Yeah. This guy's on his phone. Oh, look at him. Ah, stupid. This guy's stupid, man. Why'd you do that? Damn, he's in a rush. So just like that. That is the test, alright? Power! Yo! Good morning! We are right now in the middle of nowhere. Shit. Whew. Look at that. Like, the middle of nowhere. Let's see where this road goes. Oh.